Swim with the pigs with the money you'll save on health insurance. Every city has someone like we do in Houston, a mattress Mac, who comes on local TV and promises that they will save you money.
Gallery Furniture will save you money.
You hear it so often that we tune it out. But I'm really serious. I will show you how you can save enough money on health insurance so you can take that vacation in the Bahamas and swim with the pigs. What if I told you that changing one simple thing about the way you go about paying for healthcare could save your family $7,000 per year, maybe even more? You could use that money towards the down payment on a new car, fund all of your kids' activities for an entire year, or even take that trip to the Bahamas to swim with the pigs like you've been wanting to. My name is Grace Gosnell with the Health Benefits Network, where we give you the scoop on the latest ideas and innovations about healthcare and benefits that can make your life better. Everyone wants peace of mind when it comes to their health. That if something big comes along, they're not going to be in financial turmoil from all of the medical bills. For a long time, health insurance was the only way to protect your family, but today, that's no longer the case. I want to share a concept with you that I've seen thousands of families use to lower what they spend each month for that peace of mind. It's a concept called medical cost sharing, and on average, it's about 30 to 50% less than the cost of traditional health insurance. Some families are paying the full cost of health insurance through the marketplace. Others may have coverage through their employer, but the expensive, high cost to add their spouse and kids to the plan still gets deducted from their paycheck each month. Either way, the cost of health insurance for a family is a massive burden, and that keeps you from spending that money on things that you want and need. With a simple switch to a medical cost-sharing membership, you could easily save thousands of dollars each year and be freed up to use it on what matters most to your family. In the time that I've been a medical cost-sharing member, I've talked to countless people about what it would look like for their family. I found that it's a great solution for about 85 to 90% of the people I've talked to about it. Just the other day, in fact, I talked with a young family, 2 parents in their 40s and a couple of kids. They were spending nearly $1,700 on the cost of their family's health insurance. It was approaching the cost of their mortgage. By utilizing a medical cost-sharing membership instead, that will drop their costs by over half of what they are spending. Some of the features I love the most include not having to stay within any one network of doctors, an initial insurable amount that I get to choose and be comfortable with, the option to add things such as Teladoc to my membership, and being supported as a member and patient when I have a time of need. In the first video I did for this channel, I talked about turning to my medical cost-sharing community when I needed a surgery on my knee to repair my ACL. The experience was easy and painless, and something that I'd recommend to any of my friends or family. And on top of that, I save so much money on a monthly basis that I'm able to put some aside in case I do have another medical need and need to pay for my initial insurable amount. With the rest of my savings, I'm able to put that back into my family's budget for fun outings, vacations, maybe a new piece of furniture for my house. Point being that now those dollars are freed up and no longer being spent on costly health insurance. If you want to learn more about my experience as a medical cost-sharing member, take a look at episode 9 on this channel, where I talk more about my personal experience with medical cost-sharing. If you want to see if it's something that could be a good fit for you, be sure to click the link in the description below and get in touch. I'd love to help you see if medical cost-sharing could be something great for your family too. And please leave your questions and thoughts in the comment section below. To make sure you enjoy more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, as we'll be bringing you more healthcare benefits, news, and stories. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your colleagues and friends.